Yo, what's good people? It's your boy Tamar, living out another day. I'm over here, we've got Cat in the back. We're at Qian Dao Hu, which is Thousand Island Lake? Cat, is it Thousand Island Lake or Thousand Lake Island? Well, that doesn't make sense. Thousand Island Lake. It can't be fucking Thousand Lake Island, that's dumb as hell. Anyways, it's nice as hell out here. We've been here for the last 3 days now, and it's been good, but it's also been a hell of a mission. So the first day we came, woke up at like 8 a.m. No, woke up at like 7 a.m. Met at 8, left Shanghai. I left Sage at like this dog hotel thing. He's having a better holiday than I am at this point. They've been sending me videos and it looks like he's having a whale of a time. But yeah, my dumbass, I packed the charger, I packed wine, I packed my laptop, HDMI, I packed all this extra shit, and I left my passport at home. So on the first day, the others went swimming at the Intercontinental Hotel, and me, Kat, and the tour guide ran around first to the police department to see if we can get like this, like a slip just saying that I am who I am and I'm legal in China. Then they couldn't help us, so we went to the Foreign Affairs Department, and then they didn't help us because they said the hotel should have been able to handle this stuff. So they called up the hotel, got them to fix it. We came back. I didn't even ask if the hotel sorted it or not. I just didn't ask. Took my shit, went to the room. Yesterday we went, I don't even know where exactly it was we went. Small hike up a hill. Yo Kat, what did we do yesterday? What did we do yesterday?
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Kayaking?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so we went on the hike. When I took the slide down, it was just chill, it was just a small hike. Then we went kayaking afterwards. We stayed there for about 2 hours. The lake was peaceful, but it wasn't super hot. The weather was just chilled. It was just okay. It was just okay. As a lot of people know, I say a lot of stuff's just okay. Unless it's amazing, it's just okay. And then we had dinner, and the dinner was fire. Oh wow! At the Intercontinental, we had the seafood buffet.
In the morning.
Yeah, I said that one. I said the hiking one. But on the first day, we went for dinner at the Intercontinental and had a seafood buffet. The food was good. I've never even had crab legs before because I don't really care for seafood that much. But after I seen a bunch of it on Insta, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go splash out and just destroy some crab legs. They were good. They didn't give us the tools, so I was just popping them with my hands. We're set. Yeah, last night's dinner was more Chinese style. And we had like just a bunch of different foods. I couldn't even name them if I wanted to. And lunch was the same style. Breakfasts were the same style. I don't know, I feel like I'm just talking about anything at this point. So when we jumped on this trip, instead of us planning it ourselves, what we did was went with a tour group called Wanna Travel. I've been on like 1 or 2 hiking trips with them before, and they're pretty chilled. But a lot of it's the same style. So breakfast and lunch usually is like one of those turntables. They have a lot of local foods. It's a good way to see more of China without having to plan everything yourself, because they'll have activities. This time we had kayaking, there was ATVs. We didn't actually do the ATVs. There was swimming at the Intercontinental. We also didn't do that because I had to go sort out my passport stuff. But the hiking was good. We took a water slide down, which was also hella nice. We queued up for like, must have been damn near an hour, but it was worth it. It was worth it. The hotels are pretty neat, aside from the incompetence of not, well, it's my own incompetence. I can't even say anything about that. It's my fault. I left the passport. I own up to that. But it would be inconvenient if if I was sleeping on the streets because I forgot my notebook. For nearly 5 years in China, it's the first time this happened, okay? So don't make it, I'm just saying, it's the first time. Last time, if you saw the video for Charming Island, I brought Sage with me. And lots of these trips that I used to try to go to lately are dog friendly. I haven't left Sage anywhere in nearly a year since I got him. And then I finally got recommended to this dog hotel. This is the most peace I've had in so long. I low-key miss him a little bit, but Jesus, I'm gonna be sending him there more often. Way more often. Like, to not be woken up at 6 a.m. with a dog licking my hand, or find out he ate some of my clothes, or found out he ate my wall again, or found out that he's just jumped on my stuff, or he's playing in my clothes. There's so many around. It's like a child. It's like a bad child. And he's so cute, but people don't understand that he's evil. And I try to be a good parent, and I don't post the evil things he does on Instagram. But because I don't post it, it's all locked up in my chest. It's all locked up in my chest. So when he's finally gone now, and he's loving it, he's like made friends. My friend Andy, he's met Sage has met his dog Stark. He's also met Tim and Amy's dog Neonai that came with us to Chongming Island. They're actually all there at the same time now, playing together. They've been going for walks. He's been pulling on the leash even more than usual. His food's been better than mine has. Like, all on daddy's money. All on daddy's money. Have a good time, because you're going back to that strict parenting when you get back here, Sage. So a lot of the activities are actually like optional, but things that we mainly do together are like the hikes, and our coach is right here now. We're just checked out. I'm just doing this vlog in the spare time in the front because it's beautiful out here, getting the last bit of sunshine. The best weather so far is when we're leaving, of course, that's just the way it goes. But the people we've met are cool. Dinners have been so fun, and everyone's just a good vibe. Everyone's a really good vibe, apart from when I can see there's something on my screen. Yeah, but everyone here has been such a good vibe. It's been really welcoming. Heard random stories, and this is a really good thing about trips like Wanna Travel, M2 Adventures, Dragon Events, things like this, is that you'll be able to meet a lot of people. A lot of them are like-minded, a lot of them are not, but it's just a way to diversify the people around you. Interesting way to hear other people's perspectives. You hear a lot of travel stories, and it's just a great way to share experience. Some trips are better than others. This is a really good one. I've had a great time. I've had like a couple glasses of wine in the morning already, just because we didn't finish our bottle last night, and I was thinking, don't waste it. They're all leaving. We're gonna get left here again. Yeah, so we're back in Shanghai. Well, we actually got back last night. This is the day after. The trip was great. Even the way back was way smoother. There wasn't really much traffic despite it being the holidays. Gotta say a massive thank you for Kathy for leading the trip and helping me with my passport and running around on the first day. It was great to meet everyone as well. Right now we're just gonna go get, is it Korean food?
Yeah, Korean food.
We're gonna go grab some Korean food. Sage will be back tonight at around 10-11 o'clock. I'm gonna meet up with him and Stark, just close to mine, so it'll be good to see him again. Another night of sleepless dreams, man. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll drop you some photos of the food. It's gonna be bomb. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch me outside.